Well, here we are. It's toward the end of June, June 25th, and I'm sitting on my porch admiring my porch garden and enjoying the this thunderstorm that's coming up and the wind. See how the wind is just blowing away. Sure hope it don't blow my tomato plants down. Here you can see how my plum tomatoes are going back and forth, but they should be all right. They've had worse. We've got some good plants coming up here. But anyway, this is just a summer storm with some lightning and thunder. I kind of like to sit on the porch like this. Got the wind chimes going. But yeah, hear that? Hear that thunder? That sounds pretty good. And anyway, I thought maybe I could catch a little lightning here, but I guess not. So hey, God bless. There's a song that we sing. It's called He's Sweet, I Know. He's sweet, I know. Strong winds may come, strong winds may blow, but I'll tell the world wherever I go that I've found a Savior and He's sweet, I know. I hope you guys have found a Savior. No matter what you're going through, no matter what storms are raging, He'll always be there. God bless.